Welcome to Phrasal Verbs with Oscar. 8 ways to use the verb preposition combination to run down. This is part 1, 3 of 8 ways to use to run down. The first meaning, 1 out of 8, of to run down is the easiest one. It has to do with the direction someone or something is running. You can run down the stairs, run down a hill, or, like the mouse in the nursery rhyme, run down the clock. It means to start at the top and run towards the bottom of something. You can see in the picture Oscar running down the stairs. As far as the spelling, you might also see run downstairs or run downhill, where downstairs or downhill is spelled as one word. Those are not verb preposition combinations. Those spellings show the noun, adverb, or adjective forms. For example, Oscar runs down the stairs. It's 2 words, and it's a verb preposition combination. Versus Oscar runs downstairs, 1 word for downstairs. In this case, it is being used as an adverb, describing the verb. Sometimes things running down something else don't have legs, but they are heading quickly in a downward direction, like sweat or tears. She has tears running down her face. The stream runs down the mountainside. A second way to use to run down is similar. It has some of the same idea of starting at one place and moving to the end or bottom of something. I can run down a list. In this case, to run down something means to quickly go through something. In the video to the left, I'm using my finger to show me running down this list of artists. In the article to the right, the author is about to describe a TV episode. He says in the last couple lines, "So let's just get to it and run down everything that happened." It means he'll start at the beginning of the episode and describe quickly each thing that happened. A third way to use run down, 3 out of 8, means to start in one place and move to another, and has nothing to do with physically going in a downward direction. For instance, to run down the road as seen in this article. In the last 2 lines, you can see it says the driver exited his vehicle and was reported to be waving at passing vehicles while running down the roadway between 2 lanes. That man, like Oscar running down the stairs, was using his legs and feet to run down the road. But like tears and the stream earlier, it can also indicate general rapid movement. In this picture to the right, the water is running down the canal. In the Eagles song, "Take It Easy," you can hear the following lyrics. "While I'm running down the road trying to loosen my load, I've got 7 women on my mind."
Well, I'm running down the road trying to loosen my load. I've got 7 women on my mind.
It is a similar idea to the phrase going down the road, the movement from one point on the road to another, and a phrase found in many song titles and lyrics. In this case, the song is "Going Down the Road, Feeling Bad."
Going down the road, feeling bad. Going down the road, feeling bad. Going down the road, feeling bad.
So to recap and to clarify an additional point, here is Oscar walking down the sidewalk. I could also say Oscar is going down the sidewalk. If he were going faster, I could say Oscar is running down the sidewalk. All of these emphasize movement somewhere and are not the same as walking on or running on the sidewalk, which emphasizes the surface. And none of them necessarily have anything to do with heading in a downward direction, like down a hill. Oscar says, "That is enough for today. It is time to leave the office and take a break. He'd like to run down the stairs and go outside. But don't forget to watch part 2 with 5 more ways to use to run down later. Until next time."